If you rush to a body shop for every scratch, scuff, chip, ding, or faded trim piece, you are probably wasting a lot of money. A huge amount of cosmetic damage looks expensive long before it actually is expensive. That is why drivers get punished twice. First by the damage, then by panic. And panic is expensive. Because the moment most people see ugly body damage, they skip the one thing that actually saves money: diagnosis. They assume every mark needs repainting, every dent needs replacement, every bubble means disaster, and every ugly panel means the only answer is body shop money. Sometimes that is true. A lot of the time, it is not. In this video, I'm giving you 17 DIY body repair hacks that can save you thousands. Not fake internet tricks, not pour hot water on everything and pray. Real-world fixes for scratches, dents, bumper scuffs, trim damage, and early rust, plus one thing most channels never tell you: where the DIY line ends, so you do not turn a cheap fix into an expensive mistake. Let's get into it. Number 1. Remove paint transfer before you assume the panel is ruined. A lot of ugly side swipe marks are not your paint failing. They are someone else's paint sitting on top of your clear coat. With the right compound, cleaner, and a microfiber towel, you can often remove most of that transfer and reveal paint that looks far better than you expected. This is one of the biggest money-saving wins in body repair, because what looks catastrophic can sometimes be mostly cosmetic noise. Number 2. Fix light clear coat scratches by hand before they become body shop scratches. Many light scratches do not need repainting. They need correction. If the damage is mostly in the clear coat, a decent scratch remover or polishing compound can improve it massively and save you from paying pro money for a minor cosmetic flaw. The mistake is going too aggressive too fast. Start mild, work slowly, and check your progress in good light. Number 3. Use the fingernail test before you touch anything. This one cheap trick saves a lot of wasted time. If your fingernail barely catches, the scratch may respond to polishing. If it catches hard, the damage is likely deeper, and you should think touch-up, not compound. That tiny test keeps you from using the wrong product on the wrong problem and wondering why nothing changed. Number 4. Touch up deep scratches early before rust gets invited in. Once a scratch goes through the paint and exposes primer or metal, it stops being just cosmetic. Now moisture can get involved. Clean it, treat any early corrosion, and seal it properly before that small scratch turns into a bigger repair bill. The sooner you do this, the easier it is to keep the repair small and cheap. Number 5. Attack stone chips on the hood and bumper before they multiply. Rock chips are tiny, but they age a car fast. The smart move is not waiting until the front end looks sandblasted. Seal exposed spots early and stop small chips from spreading into rust and peeling paint. This is not glamorous repair work, but it is exactly the kind of maintenance that saves money quietly. Number 6. Use a glue pull kit only on small, shallow dents. DIY dent tools can work, but only on the right kind of damage. Small, soft dents with intact paint are fair game. Sharp creases, cracked paint, and stretched metal are where DIY confidence usually goes to die. Improvement is the win here, not perfection. Know the lane, and these tools can be worth it. Number 7. Treat door dings like their own category, because many are fixable. A lot of door dings are shallow enough to improve at home if the paint is still intact. The goal is not perfection under a spotlight. The goal is taking a defect you notice every day and making it stop shouting at you. For many daily drivers, that is more than enough. If this list is already saving you from one dumb repair bill, hit like and subscribe. Because this channel is built for drivers who want useful fixes, not overpriced panic. Number 8. A pushed-in plastic bumper is not automatically a new bumper. Plastic bumper covers can look destroyed when they are only deformed. If the plastic is not torn badly and the mounting points are still alive, mild deformation can sometimes be reshaped with controlled heat and patience. Too much heat, though, can ruin the plastic in the paint. So this is a careful move, not a caveman move. The point is simple. Ugly does not always mean replace. Number 9. Bumper scuffs usually need process, not drama. A parking lot scuff can be a mix of grime, transferred paint, light clear coat damage, and surface abrasion. Clean it first, diagnose it second, repair it third. A lot of people skip the diagnosis step and make flexible plastic look worse. Once you know what kind of damage you actually have, the fix gets much smarter. Number 10. Scratched black plastic trim can often be improved more than people think. One scratched strip of black trim can make the whole vehicle look tired. Some of that damage responds surprisingly well to deep cleaning, trim restorer, or plastic-specific refinishing products. It may not look factory fresh, but it can look dramatically less beat up. And on SUVs and trucks especially, that visual upgrade goes a long way. Number 11. Faded trim restoration is one of the highest ROI cosmetic hacks on a car. Sun-faded trim makes a car look older than it is. Restoring that color is cheap, fast, and visually powerful. It is one of those repairs that makes the entire vehicle look more cared for without touching major paintwork. A small fix, but a huge difference in how the car presents. Number 12. Minor curb rash on wheels is a DIY job. Bent wheels are not. Light curb rash can often be sanded, smoothed, and touched up at home. But a bent, cracked, or vibrating wheel is not a cosmetic issue anymore. Cosmetic rash is a DIY project. Structural wheel damage belongs with a pro. This is one of those moments where saving money is knowing when not to play hero. Number 13. Tiny rust spots are a race against time. Surface rust is one of the few repairs where delay almost always costs more. Catch it early, sand it back, treat it correctly, prime it, and seal it. Ignore it, and that tiny spot starts growing under the paint where the real damage gets expensive. Small rust never gets cheaper by waiting. Number 14. Rust bubbles are a warning, not just a flaw. A paint bubble usually means the problem is already underneath. Sometimes you can stabilize an early one, but you need honesty here. If the metal is thin, flaky, perforated, or structural, the bubble is not the damage. The bubble is the warning. And the longer you ignore the warning, the uglier the bill gets. Number 15. Broken plastic tabs and clips are often repairable instead of replaceable. A lot of bumper covers, trim panels, and light housings get replaced because one small mounting tab breaks. But if the part is otherwise fine, repairing the tab can save serious money. Sometimes the expensive-looking failure is really a tiny broken anchor. This is one of the most underrated DIY body fixes on the whole car. Number 16. Door sills and entry scuffs usually look worse than they really are. These areas collect dirt, transfer marks, light scratches, and abuse from shoes and cargo. Start with a deep clean before declaring the part dead. Even when you cannot make it perfect, you can often make it dramatically less ugly for very little money. And that matters, because these are the areas you see every single day. Number 17. Tiny chip repair is about distance, not perfection. This is the mindset hack most DIYers need. On a small paint chip, your job is to seal the damage, reduce how obvious it looks, and stop it from getting worse. If it disappears from normal viewing distance, that is a win. Chase microscopic perfection in your driveway, and you usually make the repair look worse. Final takeaway: the body shop is not the villain. Panic is. Most people waste money in one of two ways. They overreact to small cosmetic damage that could have been improved cheaply, or they ignore small damage until it spreads into a real repair. The smart move is knowing which flaws can be corrected, which ones can be stabilized, and which ones should go straight to a pro. So the next time you see a scratch, chip, scuff, ding, or rust spot, do not assume the most expensive path is the only path. Diagnose it first. Catch it early. Use the right repair for the right damage, and save the body shop for the stuff that actually deserves body shop money. Drop a comment with the most annoying cosmetic damage on your car right now, because I might turn it into a future video. And if you like videos that save you money before your car drains your wallet, subscribe, because that's exactly what we do here.